are always telling me your house is always clean, and I say about 95% of the time. Well, today is that other 5%. You want to see the foolishness going on? You know what to do. Just keep watching. This is the Priceless Pearl Life with me, Katrina. On my channel, I share home decor, cooking, baking vlogs, and shopping hauls. Glad you clicked on today's video, and let's enjoy it together. It's that time of year for deep cleaning, spring cleaning around the house. And you see this foolishness? I've literally been home about 6 days in a month. So we've been, coming to the house, dropping bags off, coming to the house, dropping things on the floor, and just leaving them wherever. But, we can't live like this. It's time to get this house together. So if you, need to clean too, well, go ahead and prop me up and let's clean together. So I always have a bowl of water with a little bit of Dawn dishwashing liquid, Clorox, and Fabulosas because I like washing my walls down just for any little marks, any little bruises. And I'm also checking for, those spider webs that just magically appear in your home. I'm also sweeping and giving these floors a good mopping. People always ask me where I found those area rugs. Well, they are Wayfair finds. And if they're still available, I'll make sure to link it down in the description box below. So I'm interested in changing out my lampshades in my living room space. So anyone want to collaborate? Anyone? Well, check my email address, send me some information, and maybe we can do this upgrade together. Now, all of my window treatments are from Amazon. And again, your girl will try to make sure I link them down in the description box below for my family's convenience. Just looking out for the priceless people. If you enjoyed this kind of content, then you know what to do. Go ahead and like, comment, and subscribe. Join my growing YouTube family on today. Giver of life. If you're still here, make sure to leave me a green frog emoji down in the comment section below. You know there's a giveaway coming up real soon.
You're my lifeline. 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 You're showing forgiveness and loving your children. I can do nothing apart from you. No. Speaking your word and being able to listen. I can do nothing apart from you. No. You're my lifeline. 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 You're my lifeline.
Hours later.
Has been 2.5 hours of me mopping, dusting, sweeping, cleaning, and your girl I'm just tired on today. So I'm not going to decorate. Everything is dusted. Everything is in the space where I want it to be. So I'll come back next time with the decorating of this living room space. You know, I'm in the midst of my series, Springtime in the South, for 2024. So you know what to do. Make sure your post notification bells are set to all so you get that alert when I fully decorate this space. Until next time, you know what I say. Stay safe, woo, stay blessed, woo, and remember, you are absolutely priceless. I already look forward to seeing you for part 2 of this video. I'll see you then. Yeah, I've been working. You see, mustard stains, lint, clorox stains. It's been a whole thing on today. See you next time. Videos are posted on Tuesday and Thursdays, 6 o'clock p.m. Eastern Standard Time, and a few more sprinkle in between for your viewing pleasure. Now, before leaving YouTube on today, what about checking out these few videos?